Here's why you don't use a K&N filter, or put the stupid sticker on your air box to scare away the mechanic from even checking your air filter. This is not fake. This is real deal condition here with this lady's car. That was there a sticker, Jude, that said "Do not replace"? The sticker scares away your mechanic or your quick lube from even checking it to see if it's clogged. Not a car enthusiast. You don't deserve to have a K&N filter in your air box if, one, you're never going to check it, two, you're never going to take it out and clean it and maintain it. That thing went in and it's been in there forever and ever and ever, and it's clogged. Crazy. Rachel, that's her K&N air filter. Whoever's been keeping an eye on her car hasn't really been checking it. Yeah, so the K&N filters are great, but you have to actually have someone check it, and then when mechanics see that, they just
cabin or air?
Air filter.
That's air.
Cabin was there a squirrel living in my car?
Somebody was at one time.
Somebody was living in my car?
You didn't collect rent, did you?
Well, I'm more concerned that somebody might have died if they had a home in my car.
No,
Did I kill like a little critter?
No,
that
he
we saw.
probably just went on his way probably a long time ago. Like,
You should change your air filter.
no, the problem is with the K&N filters, if there's a sticker on the air box, mechanics don't bother checking it.
Okay, so I don't know anything that you're saying
Yeah.
right now. It's like you're speaking.
So air filters need to be changed, just like your home filter at your house.
Nobody ever told me that.
Rachel's going to keep you up.
Yeah, she's
Keep
my
you up to
new
snuff.
car person.
Yeah. So
So
you're probably going to find
Shut up.
some power and some fuel economy now that your air filter's not clogged, so your engine can actually do it.
So, do you think it was a chipmunk or a squirrel?
You want to smell it, taste it, and tell me what you think?
All right.
Get out of here. This one actually doesn't smell very bad. So.
Are you like filming this?
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
I'm surprised she wasn't Rick.
Am I in it?
No.
Can I sing?
Oh, yeah. Give her my YouTube channel so she can check it out. But looking over the car, the problem is when you go to a quick lube and they see it.
I don't go to Quick Lubes.
If you go to a regular
I like
mechanic,
it slow. No, I'm on TV now. Now you get a performer.
this is nothing compared to what I say. That
I should be on the channel.
somebody should be checking it with your oil changes just to keep an eye on
Not
it.
yet.
You should though. You should. It's really fun.
You'll probably win.
Only if I can make
Thank you.
money.
Yeah, you can. You can. Yeah. Thank you.